Okay, welcome back to another YouTube video. Now, in our last video, I was talking about the up channel. Now, this is the second episode. I'm going to be explaining more about the down channel. Now, the down channel, that means the market is in a downtrend. We shall be supporting our low highs and lower lows. Now, these low highs and lower lows, we are going to try to connect these low highs and lower lows by getting our resistance trend line and our support trend line. Now, after getting the resistance trend line and our support trend line, it will help us to spot out all these movements of these channels and try to get perfect entries on where to buy or sell. Okay, now in our down channel, we mainly focus on selling only. We don't focus on buying. But on our up channel, we focus on buying because that is an uptrend. Now, for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe because a lot of content is still coming. I don't want you guys to miss this content. So subscribe now, watch this video. After watching this video, try to share this video to another member also to watch, plus recommending him or her also to subscribe to my channel. Okay, now I think most of you can see this illustration which I have here is my down channel. Now I try to spot my low highs and lower lows, and I connected these two trend line. This is my support trend line and this is my resistance trend line. So now whenever the market was reaching on this resistance trend line of mine, I was spotting for sell entries only. Sell entries only. If you are a professional trader, you can also buy on this support trend line, because if you will almost figure out that this is the channel, it must respect both sides when you're buying and when you're selling. So now you have to buy when it reaches on the support level, you have to sell when it reaches on this resistance level for you to acquire all these pips. So now I don't need to read a lot of notes about trading channels. Now the technique is try to ensure that you draw proper trend lines. For those who don't know how to draw proper trend lines, go to YouTube and type FX Tips. Go to our channel, scroll down, watch the video on how we were showing you to draw proper trend lines. Now, after you're drawing a proper trend line, there's no way you can miss out the trade on a channel, because one of the things which are being easy to trade in forex is channels. So find a way to be perfect on trading channels, but the easiest way to trade channels is you drawing proper trend lines. Very good. If you're drawing proper trend line, there's no way you can fail to. I have another little bit illustration here. You get it? So now this was an up channel, like I've told you before. This was an up trend channel. So now what were you meant to do here? Buy, 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 buy. So now all these points I was just buying this trade. When it was reaching on these levels as well, I was selling. Very simple. Sell and buy, sell and buy. What you have to cater for is you drawing proper trend lines. Draw your proper resistance trend line, draw your proper support trend line. After, you jump into your trade and make money. So now this is the easiest way to draw trend lines and also place your trades when you are trading channels. Now I think I will meet you in the third episode where I'm going to be explaining on the most difficult channel, which is the sideways channel, because that channel tends to at least confuse a lot of upcoming or beginner traders who are trading the forex market. But I will try to break down for it to you guys, and you try smashing it and making a lot of profits. So now, for those who have made it to the end of this video, I think this is the right time I say goodbye to you. If you haven't subscribed, we recommend you to subscribe to our channel. We don't want you to miss out content which is coming.